Hello everyone, I am Aishwarya, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see a topic, measures of central tendency. So in the measures of central tendency, we see a top topic about the mode. So mode. A mode is a variable that repeats itself most frequently in a given series of variables. Mode is denoted as Z. So this is two steps to find the mode. So arrange the given series in ascending or descending order. Observe which variable in the series is repeating itself and how many times. The third step is to determine the mode. Now there are four cases in which the mode of a series can be determined. The first one is unimodal. In this case, the variable that occurs the maximum number of times is considered to be the value of mode. The second case is bimodal. In this, if two variables repeat themselves an equal number of times, then both variables will be considered the value of mode. The third case is multimodal. If in the series more than two variables repeat themselves an equal number of times, then the value of mode will be all such variables. The last case is without mode. When no variables in a series repeat itself, then the value of mode is still determined. Also, when most of the variables in a given series repeat themselves an equal number of times, then also the value of mode is ill-determined. So then we are going to see an example related to the mode. So calculate the mode for the following data. Here one set of data is given. First we are going to arrange this data in an ascending order. After arranging, we have to observe which number repeat more times. So in this data, the number 5 repeats itself 3 times. So the mode value will be 5, that is unimodal. In the second example, such data is given. So first we are going to arrange it in ascending order. Then we have to observe which number repeated. So here the number 2 and 12 occur twice. So the value of mode will be 2 and 12. So in this problem we occur in two modes. So the value will be in bimodal. So next we have to calculate mode for the discrete series. A set of data is given. So we have to find the mode for this table. So to find mode for the discrete series, we have to concentrate on the frequency. So in the frequency 4, 2, 6, 8, 3 values are given. Out of these given values, we have to find which is the largest value. So in this table, the largest frequency value will be 8. So the number respective to the 8 will be the mode for this problem. Here 8, the respective number straight to the 8 will be 20. So the value of mode will be 20. So next we are going to see a continuous series for the next we are going to see the same discrete series to find the mode. Here a set of variable and frequencies are given. We have to find the mode for these problems. So in this problem we are going to use an uh, we are going to see a grouping table and analysis table. So first we are using the same question given in the table. So the size and frequency are given. So after that we have to group the frequencies. So first I have to group the first two numbers by adding the number 3 and 8. I get an answer as 11. So after that 10 plus 12 I getting an answer as an. So the first time we have to group in two numbers. And for the second grouping I have to leave the first number and I have to group the after the first number we have to group two numbers. For the third case we have to group the three numbers, that is 3, 8 and 10. 3 plus 8 plus 10 I get an answer as 21. So after that we have to leave the first number, then I have to group the remaining three numbers, that is 8, 10, 12. So in the last column we have to leave the first two numbers. After that we have to group the three numbers like 10, 12 and 16. So this is the procedure to find the grouping table. That is, first we have to group the first two numbers, and for the second step we have to leave the first number and we have to group the two numbers. For the third step we have to group the first three numbers. For fourth step, we have to leave the first number, then we have to group the three numbers, and for the final step, we have to leave the first two numbers. After that, we have to group the three numbers. So this is the procedure for the grouping table. So out of these all grouping, we have to find the highest number in each frequency. So for the first frequency, the highest number is 70, and for the second number is the highest number is 30. So for remaining column also, we have to find the highest number and mark it as in a darker point. So after the grouping table, we have to create the analysis table. So this is the analysis table. So here we have to analyze the table using the grouping table. So here the first one is for the first column, the highest number is 17. The 17 number is nearest to 10. So we have to put one tick below 10. So for the second column, the highest number is 30. So 30 number is nearest to 6 and 7. So for the analysis table, we have to put it to the 6 and 7. So in the same procedure, we have to do the analysis table. After completing the analysis table, we have to count how many ticks are in the table. So out of all the numbers, the highest number is 5. So this will be the mode for us. The 5 is respective to 6. That is the highest number is respective to the variable 6. So the value of mode will be 6. So next one is the continuous series. For continuous series, we are using this formula to calculate the mode. So m0 is equal to L1 plus f1 minus f0 by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into y. Here the m0 will be the mode, L1 will be the lower limit modal class, f1 will be the frequency of modal class, and f0 will be the frequency of class preceding the modal class, and f2 will be the frequency of the class succeeding the modal class, and I will be the class interval of the modal class. So the same procedure will be followed for this problem also. That is, we are going to use some grouping and the analysis table. So the given data is given. Here the highest frequency will be the 24. So the model class will be 20 to 25. So we are using the grouping table. The same procedure will be followed for this also. So we have to group the frequency as I explained in the previous problem. After the grouping, we have to analyze the table which will be shown in the previous problem. So after completing the grouping and analysis table, we are going to find the mode for this problem. Here the highest number will be 4. So the modal class will be 20 to 25. So using the formula, we are going to calculate the mode. So to 20 to 25, the lower limit will be 20. So L1 will be the 20 and frequency F1 will be. So the frequency F1 will be 24. So this is the value of F1 and the value above 24 will be the F0 and the value below 24 will be the F2. So here the F0 will be 30, F1 will be 24 and F2 will be 22. So these are the values which we will need to find the mode. So substitute all these values in the formula. By doing the calculation, we get the mode value as 23.92. Thank you.